Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Verdie. I am a licensed nail tech, content creator, and small business owner. If you like this content, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going in with an acrylic design, and before I start my design, I'm going to go in with a protective layer of rubber base coat. This base coat is by Eden's Rose. Information will be in the description box below. The reason that I like to go in with the rubber base coat is when I'm removing my nails, I like to file my nails off. So I will just file down to this rubber base coat, and that way I don't have to file down to my natural nails, and I could change my design a little bit more frequently. So apply the rubber base coat, cure, and then just apply your products as normal. And the layer, you want to make sure there's enough product that it's not going to make the nail bulky. However, when you are filing off, you do have enough product to be in between the e-file and your natural nail. So the colors that I'm using will be in the description box below. So I have mulberry, and I'm using, what is this? Oh, dragon fruit. So I'm using these two colors. I'm doing a really messy marble, or if you want to call it a watercolor design, you can call that as well. The only thing you really want to make sure of at this step is that you're not adding bulk to the nail. So it is okay in this step to work really wet, but periodically go in and make sure that because you're working wet, that the acrylic isn't running over to the side walls, making them bulky. Again, the most important part of this is just to make sure you're not adding bulk to the nails, especially the side walls. And then there's not really a rhyme or reason or anything like that. I'm just going in random with the colors. I am adding Milky White as well by Not Polished, and then I'm going to go in with a glitter once I'm done with everything. Once I'm done with all the nails, I go back and add glitter to all the nails, just in wherever you want it. Wherever you feel like, hey, there might be an empty spot here. Like I said, there really is no specific way to do this. Sometimes I feel with marble or watercolor, the watercolor look, the messier the better. It's a really simple design, but I think it's a really beautiful, simple design. And as well, it's easy, super easy to do. So after I apply all of the colors at the tip of the nail, I'm going to do an ombre. So I'm going to go in with Nude Panther, also by Not Polished. Most of the products I use today are by Not Polished. I'm going to go in with that and just ombre up the nail. And pretty much you can start or stop your ombre wherever you'd like. If you want a deeper ombre, then you can just apply the color acrylic at the tip, or it's just whatever you prefer. Like, there's really not a right or a wrong way. Like, this is a messy design. It's a very forgiving design, which is why I like it so much. So you literally can do it however you want. So after I'm going to do the ombre, I'm going to go in and look at the nail. And obviously there's going to be lumps and bumps because you apply this kind of in a messy manner. I applied it in a messy manner. I didn't do a lot of smoothing or anything like that. So when I go to encapsulate, that's really where I'm going to add the strength of my nail and just take care of any lumps and bumps. I want to make sure that there's enough acrylic on the nail so that when I do my filing, I can get that smooth surface. Lost my words there for a second. So I'm just going to play some music and let you watch the rest of the acrylic application. Okay, so these are the nails before filing and after filing. So I did have to do a lot of filing, but definitely love the way these turned out. These tips are coffin, so they are tapered more towards the end. I wanted to do this design in stiletto because that's my favorite, because I kind of want to wear this design for a while. But typically you guys don't really like the stiletto shape. Let me know what your favorite shape is in the comments below. For my hands, I like the way my hands look the best with stilettos instead of a square or taper square coffin, however you want to call it. So now I'm just going in with my top coat, and I'm going to cure that in the lamp. The top coat is Gloss It by Not Polish. I love the way these turned out. Like I said earlier, this is a very simple, forgiving design. Ombres don't have to be perfect, neither do marble or the watercolor look. These do not have to be perfect. So if you're looking for a simple design that's really, really beautiful and is easy to do, definitely give this design a try. And if you post any pictures, please tag me on Instagram. I appreciate everyone spending their time with me. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see everybody soon for another video.